Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to manage notifications on Brave browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Brave browser on your computer. Once it's launched, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see three horizontal lines. Click on those lines to reveal a drop-down menu, then select Settings from the list. This will take you to Brave's main settings page where you can configure various aspects of your browser. Now, in the left panel of the settings page, click on Privacy and Security. This section contains all the important controls for managing how websites interact with your browser, including permissions for notifications, cookies, and other site data. It's essentially the command center for your browsing privacy. Next, click on Site and Shield Settings. This option gives you granular control over what individual websites can and cannot do on your browser. It's where you can manage permissions like notifications, location access, camera usage, and much more. Within the Site and Shield settings, click on Notifications. This is where you'll find all the controls specifically related to how websites send you pop-up notifications. You'll see different options here that determine whether sites can interrupt your browsing with notification requests. Now, here's where you can take control. If you don't want any pop-up notifications from websites at all, select Don't allow sites to send notifications. This option completely blocks all notification requests, giving you a cleaner, distraction-free browsing experience. No website will be able to send you pop-ups or ask for notification permissions. However, if you do want to receive notifications from certain trusted websites, click Sites can ask to send notifications instead. This option allows you to manually approve which sites can send you alerts, giving you more flexibility while still maintaining control over your notification experience. After selecting this option, navigate to the section labeled Allowed to send notifications. Right beside it, you'll see an Add button. Click on it to manually add the websites you trust and want to receive notifications from. This ensures that only the sites you specifically approve can send you notifications. In the field that appears, add trusted websites only, such as gmail.com, messenger.com, and discord.com. These are typically the sites where you want to stay updated with real-time alerts. After entering each website URL, click Add to confirm it. You can add as many trusted sites as you need by repeating this process. And that's it. You've successfully configured your notification settings in Brave browser, giving you full control over which websites can send you alerts. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.